Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to see your TikTok username and password if you forgot it. So let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you go to your settings. And the next thing you need to do is to make sure you scroll all the way down to Google. So look for Google on your phone. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on manage your Google account. Next thing you need to do is to simply swipe this way and navigate to security. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll all the way down to password manager. So what you need to do is to simply click on manage password. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply look for your TikTok app. So right here, this is my TikTok. So I'm going to simply click on that. Here we go. So in a few seconds, you'll be able to see your TikTok username and fill your TikTok password. So you need to make sure that you are doing this on a phone that you use to create the TikTok account, and you save your username and password with Google Manager. It's as simple as that. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about how best to use Google Password Manager. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.